Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw realistic hairs. So if you happen to enjoy this video, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to support our channel. So without further ado, let's begin. To make sure our job gets a lot easier, always start with sketching the checkered lines. We begin the sketch with the outlines. We use HB pencil to do the sketch. If you think that you're slow when it comes to sketching the outlines, please remember that this video is like 10x fast. It took me like 20 minutes or something to sketch the outlines alone. To make sure that we don't lose focus and we get the final job as similar as possible to the reference, we use a method, we would like to call it chunk by chunk. We just pick a part and do the shading, and then we pick another part of the hair and do the shading, and it doesn't matter which part you choose as long as you do it one by one. Here's a great tip. If you want to make it more realistic, try to define a direction for the hairs, like top to bottom, left to right, or right to left. To be as close as possible to the reference, we use 8B for some of the shadows that we want to be there the entire time to guide us to make the job as similar as possible to the reference. The purpose of a brush is to spread the graphite. We want to smooth the texture of the paper. Here's a great tip that will make a huge difference. I want you to bring out a soft pencil like 1B or 2B and then do the brushing. And then bring out a softer pencil like 4B or 5B and repeat the brushing. Do this process over and over again with softer pencils each time until the drawing is finally what you really want it to be. This will make a huge difference in your work. Okay guys, we have reached the end of this video today. Thanks for watching. Please consider dropping a like and subscribing. It is a great pleasure to have as many friends as we can here in this channel. I hope everyone will have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.